know that we are going through the COVID-19 pandemic for the last 3 months, and it is a hard time for everyone. But at the same time, I would like to thank and appreciate the way in which the most important 3 pillars of our school, that is the student, the teachers and the parents, have evolved, and we actually all are together to fight this out. Let me first talk about the students. The students, they have changed from the real classroom to the virtual classrooms, where they are studying, they are giving the test, submitting the assignments and other activities also, and they are really doing great. Next comes the teachers. The teachers are also doing very hard work. They have improved and evolved as a new teacher from the time when they were taking the regular classes in the school to a situation in which they are now taking classes in a virtual platform. They are making all kind of videos, they are searching the content and seeing to that the proper material should go to them, go to the students in an easy manner so that they can understand it. They are making assignments, they are taking tests, and they are really doing very, very hard work. So hats off to them for the work they are doing. And at last, I would like to also thank all the parents. The parents, they are really doing a wonderful job by adapting to the situation, by giving their best to their kids, whether it is in the form of some need like devices or any kind of online platform. So whatever they need, the parents are arranging that, and that is really very important from their part. Further, they are also taking note of how their students are doing. They are always in contact with the teachers, and as a bond, all the 3 pillars, that is the student, the teachers and the parents, they are doing a great job, and I really thank from the core of my heart to all of them. Here I am sharing some of the videos as a comment or feedback from the parents as well as from the students, and I hope all of you should stay safe and stay well. Thank you.
I'm extremely thankful to all the teachers who are supporting me and helping me in the pandemic situation of this COVID-19, as they support me in the online class studies. I appreciate their efforts for clearing all my doubts and related to any query. Regards.
Dear teachers, thanks a lot for your kind efforts for the studies of my daughter, especially during this pandemic situation and the lockdown. The kids are not able to come to the school, but you people are doing your best. Special thanks to the principal, Mr. Dulalde, and vice principal, Mr. Khanna, and her chemistry teacher, Mr. Sachin, and English teacher, Preeti ma'am. Because you all people are giving your best anytime she wants, whatever her doubts, you people are clearing the doubt whenever she needs them to the clear the doubts. Even I was really surprised when I saw a message on WhatsApp which was sent by Mr. Dulaldev at 2 a.m. in the morning. That's really surprising how you people are managing your life for the students. I really appreciate you all. Thanks a lot for this. I really, really thank you all.
Thank you.
Our teachers are very helpful during these times. Our teachers are very hardworking. They provide us with video lectures in which they also give us notes and their explanation. At last, I would like to thank to my teachers and the school management to help us to continue with our study during these hard times. Now, I would like to call my mother to represent her views on this topic.
नमस्कार। जैसे कि हमारे बच्चे ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में बताया, शुरू में हमें भी बहुत चिंता हो रही थी कि बच्चे ऑनलाइन कैसे पढ़ेंगे, क्या करेंगे। आज के दिन हर एक माँ बाप को ये चिंता होती है अपने बच्चे की शिक्षा के लिए, लेकिन हम बहुत ही भाग्यशाली हैं कि हमारे बच्चे एचडी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, जहाँ पर न केवल स्कूली शिक्षा की तरफ ध्यान दिया जाता है, बल्कि बच्चे के संपूर्ण विकास के साथ साथ उसके भविष्य का भी निर्माण किया जा रहा है।
My online classes are going quite smoothly. I am facing no difficulties and I am really enjoying it. And this credit goes to firstly our director sir Mr. Surinder Fogart, secondly our principal sir Mr. Dulal Dev and our teachers, and also to my class in charge Mr. Pankaj Tripathi sir. We often heard that teachers are good to us, but in the period of COVID-19 we have seen it. My teachers are helping me, encouraging me, motivating me whenever I need. Only because of my teachers, I am able to continue my regular classes in the form of online classes. Thank you very much, teachers.
I am Monica, Khushi's auntie. I am also a teacher. Online classes are good, but not more, because students get help in study by online classes, but they miss sports activity, interaction with students, their school friends. But it's compulsion for students to study by the online classes. But I thankful to all the teachers who gave their efforts for the online classes. Thank you teachers.
At last, I also want to say that thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.
Good morning all. I hope all you are staying safe from the ongoing pandemic disease COVID-19. So today my father want to share his views and satisfaction towards the online classes going on. So please listen it.
सभी को मेरा नमस्ते। ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चा हिचकता नहीं है, वो अपना सीधा पूछता है, जो उसके मन में आता है, जो समझ में नहीं आता उसको पूछ लेता है। तो हम इसको ऑनलाइन क्लासों को सपोर्ट करते हैं और ऑनलाइन क्लासें हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत ठीक है। सभी को नमस्ते।
Thank you for listening my and my father's conversation. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.
I thankful to all teachers who are supporting me and helping me. As you know, due to lockdown, I am not able to go to school. But this lockdown never stopped my studies. Thanks to my teachers who are taking my online classes. Thank you teacher and salute you.
डियर टीचर्स, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने इस सिचुएशन में भी स्टडी को कंटिन्यू रखा। हमारे बच्चे इस सिचुएशन में नहीं थे, स्कूल जाने की सिचुएशन में नहीं थे, फिर भी आपने पूरी स्टडी करवाने के ये पूरे एफर्ट किए। पेरेंट्स, आप एचडी टीम को, टीचर्स को सैल्यूट करते हैं। थैंक्स टू ऑल।
Good morning to all. I am Arjun of class 12 Saffron, and today through this video I would like to thank all my teachers and our respected director Mr. Surinder Singh Fogart for all the efforts which they have been incorporating for the last 2 months for the sake of our studies. This is probably the best we could have asked in the lockdown period. Their hard work is guiding us through to make the best use of the time which have been provided due to the lockdown. All I can say is just thank you very much for all your sincere efforts which you have been incorporating for the last 2 months. Thank you. And now my mother would like to tell something about them. Thank you.
नमस्कार। मैं सबसे पहले धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ मिस्टर सुरेंद्र सिंह फोगाट सर का, जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस और जूम क्लासेस के माध्यम से बच्चों की पढ़ाई को जारी रखवाया और इस कोरोना की महामारी में जो बच्चों की पढ़ाई का लॉस होना था वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ। मैं इस टीम को भी सैल्यूट करती हूँ। दोबारा से फिर मैं मिस्टर सुरेंद्र सिंह फोगाट सर को भी धन्यवाद करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
About this online classes in the lockdown.
नमस्कार। जैसे कि हमारे बच्चे ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में बताया, पहले हम भी बहुत चिंतित थे कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में कैसे पढ़ाई होगी, क्या होगी। आज के दिन हर एक माता पिता की सबसे बड़ी समस्या अपने बच्चे की शिक्षा को लेकर है, लेकिन हम अपने आप को बहुत ही भाग्यशाली मानते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे एचडी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, जहां पर न केवल स्कूली शिक्षा की तरफ ध्यान दिया जाता है बल्कि बच्चे के संपूर्ण विकास को ध्यान में रखकर उनके भविष्य का भी निर्माण किया जाता है। आज के दिन बच्चे स्कूल को मिस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनकी पढ़ाई का कोई भी लॉस नहीं हो रहा है और ये सब कुछ संभव हो सका है हार्ड वर्किंग टीचर्स की वजह से। स्कूल की पूरी मैनेजमेंट तथा पूरे स्टाफ को मेरी तरफ से धन्यवाद।
और थैंक यू ऑल टीचर्स, डायरेक्टर सर एंड प्रिंसिपल सर फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. I do my homework easily.
Truly, in these times of COVID-19, our president has taken a great steps of providing education digitally. They have prepared the curriculum in such a wonderful manner for the students by staying at home. It's been 10 days as shown the homework is being done by class teachers is in creative manners and they are creating interest in students.
बच्चों को ऑनलाइन शिक्षा प्रदान करने के मामले में एचडी पब्लिक स्कूल बच्चों को बहुत ही इफेक्टिवली तरीके से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करा रहा है।
कोरोना वायरस या कोविड-19 से आज पूरा देश लड़ रहा है, इसी वजह से हम स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे। हमारे घर पर ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लग रहे हैं, हम उसको अटेंड करते हैं। डेली हमारी अटेंडेंस लगती है, रेगुलरली हमारे टेस्ट होता है, डेली कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी करते हैं। हमारी टीचर्स हमें बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाती हैं।
मैं यशवी की मदर बोल रही हूँ। इनकी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो रही है, सभी टीचर हर विषय में अच्छे से पढ़ा रहे हैं। इनके रेगुलर टेस्ट होते हैं, हर सैटरडे संडे एक्टिविटी होती है। इतनी बीमारी में भी बच्चों की शिक्षा के ऊपर पूरा ध्यान दिया जा रहा है और सभी अध्यापक, स्कूल के वाइस प्रिंसिपल, डायरेक्टर साहब, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो इतनी बीमारी में भी बच्चों की शिक्षा का पूरा ध्यान रह रहे हैं कि वो पढ़ाई में कहीं पीछे ना रह जाएं। धन्यवाद।
Very thankful to my teachers as they are supporting me in this situation, and also thankful to principal sir.
Dear teachers, thanks a lot for your kind efforts for the studies of my son, especially during this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Once again, thanks a lot for your kind efforts. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Good morning to you all. I am a student of SD Public School. Want to share my experience about these tough times. When I heard about lockdown, I was not able to go to school and thought how I'll continue my studies. But my school initiated many online classes and later come up with online tests. They organized many interesting activities for our enjoyment. I am thankful to my dedicated teachers which help in my studies. I am feel lucky to being a student of SD Public School. Thank you teachers.
नमस्कार, मैं एचडी पब्लिक स्कूल द्वारा चलाई गई ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से संतुष्ट हूँ। अध्यापक गण अपने अपने विषय को आसान से आसान तरीके से समझाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। इन कक्षाओं के माध्यम से हमारे बच्चों को बहुत कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है, वह हमें भी यह देखकर संतुष्टि हो रही है। एचडी पब्लिक स्कूल की पूरी टीम विद्यार्थियों के साथ पूरे लगन व सहयोग से काम कर रही है। मैं एचडी पब्लिक स्कूल की पूरी टीम का धन्यवाद कर रही हूँ। नमस्कार।
I can easily ask to the teachers and they respond immediately. And the interaction between the students and the teachers is like that we are studying in class only in the school. I feel very nice, I feel very comfortable with it. So here is my mother to share some views with you.
नमस्कार। इस महामारी के दौर में बच्चों की पढ़ाई रुक ही जाती, लेकिन ये जूम ऐप और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से बच्चे अच्छे से स्टडी कर रहे हैं, क्लासेस भी अच्छे से लग रही हैं। इनके साथ मैंने बैठ के देखा है कि ये बच्चे अच्छे से स्टडी कर रहे हैं। अगर कोई डाउट होता है तो मैम से डाउट क्लियर करते हैं और मैम भी इनके डाउट जल्दी से क्लियर कर देती हैं। इसलिए
stay home, stay safe.
We are able to manage well in our studies through online classes and assignments uploaded by our teachers. The efforts of our teachers are really commendable. I am thankful to our school director, principal, vice principal and teachers for making learning easily available during this pandemic situation of COVID-19.
I am her elder sister and I take care of her studies. These online modules not only help in covering the school curriculum, but it also keeps the kids busy with enjoyable and educating activities. School authorities are providing impressive extra study material to the students which help in developing an overall personality. On behalf of my parents, I would like to thank all the management and the teaching staff for their commendable efforts. Thank you.
I appreciate the efforts of the teacher and the school and the way they are imparting education equally to the physical classes so that every student can have an equal access to the education even in the difficult time. At last, I want to appreciate my teachers and the management of HD Public School that they are dedicated towards their unconditional duty. Thanks.
Firstly, I would like to thank all the teachers and management for their hard work in making students variable by searching their study material. Introduction with online test will help them in their future career. In last, I want to appreciate and salute all the teachers and management. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. Today Khushi of grade 5th is here to share my views on the online classes which are being conducted by my school, HD Public School. I just want to thank all the teachers and staff for helping me access education during these hard times. I continue to learn. Happy thank you.
नमस्कार। जैसा कि मेरे बच्चे ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में बताया, पहले हमें भी नहीं पता था ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में कैसी पढ़ाई होगी। आज के दिन हर माता पिता अपने बच्चे की पढ़ाई को लेकर चिंतित है, पर मैं अपने आप को भाग्यशाली समझती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे HD पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं।
I am very thankful for these online studies which has been started by our government, and the step taken by our director sir was very good that they have taken this step for the online studies. I am thanking my teachers, mainly Sanchita ma'am, Anshu ma'am, Preeti ma'am for their hard work which is acting on us, and we are able to give very good response in today's classes and tests. Thank you to all our teachers and the staff of our school, HD Public School. Now I want to regard my father to speak about this.
मेरा नाम सुरेंद्र है। सूर्य कॉलोनी सिंत्रा रोड रोहतक से का मैं निवासी हूँ। मेरी लड़की बहू अकबरपुर HD स्कूल में पढ़ती है। वो कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट ली हुई है। वहाँ से टीचरों की बहुत अच्छी गाइडलाइन मिल रही है। टीचर दिन रात मेहनत करवा रहे हैं। इस मेहनत का फल बच्चों को मिल रहा है, नहीं तो इतनी महामारी के अंदर बच्चों का भविष्य खराब हो रहा था। तो टीचरों ने ये अच्छा काम किया कि हमारे बच्चों की तरफ ध्यान दिया। इसमें स्कूल के डायरेक्टर सुरेंद्र फोगाट सर का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है।